I'm not here to teach you anything, and I'm not here to awaken you in any way. Because deep inside, you already know everything you need to know in every now. Of that I'm sure. And awakening is a natural process that happens when the time is ripe. What I'm here to do, and what I want to offer, is an ear. I want to listen to your concerns. I want to listen to your questions. And I want to remind you that you are truly divine, and infinite creative powers flow through you, through your body, into this earth. Growing up in the north, in Sweden, I learned or developed a deep respect for nature and natural cycles, the inherent wisdom in nature and natural processes. And north, to me, is not just a direction, it's more like a way of being, of stillness, of waiting, of being in tune with the flow of life. ARC was founded to be a safe haven, a place of tranquility, an eye of the storm, a bridge over troubled waters, something to support awakening ones to go from the old crumbling reality into the new emerging one. ARC, awaken, remember, create. I think that's a very simple roadmap showing what humanity is going through right now. You won't find any call to action at the end of this video. If anything, you will find a call to being. Because being, your vibration, your frequency, influences the world and the emerging reality many times much more than doing. If this resonates, I hope you will join me on this marvelous and sometimes challenging journey of awakening. But we are creating something beautiful together. And we can only do it together. With love, I truly wish you all the best.